founder and CEO Bob Reyna, here with VP of Training and Development Allison Roberts, to invite you to join us and create the future you deserve.
We offer the right products, the right management and support, the right timing, the right cause, and the world's first and only instant pay compensation plan.
We're not just changing the way the world communicates, we're changing lives, one person at a time. Bring us your dreams, and we'll help you do the rest.